fire or are you still wasting hours on tasks? AI tools can save you. In this video, we'll explore 5 incredible AI tools that save time, energy, and even money. Most of these are free. Let's dive into our first tool, Opus Clip AI. It transforms long YouTube videos into viral shorts. This smart tool adds AI-generated captions and highlights. Perfect for content creators and editors. Imagine saving over 5 hours of editing time per video. Next, we have GPT-4o Voice Assist by OpenAI. This powerful voice and vision AI understands your screen. It helps with coding, writing, or even homework. Think of it as Siri and Jarvis combined. It's a true game changer for productivity. Moving on to Remaker AI. This innovative tool creates deepfake voices and videos from text. Use it for dubbing or voiceovers. It's perfect for faceless YouTube channels. Now you can create engaging content without showing your face. Now let's talk about Tone.app. If you need a presentation fast, this tool is for you. It converts prompts into complete slide decks or reports in seconds. You can save 3 to 6 hours on each project. That's a time saver. Finally, we have Leonardo AI, or Ideogram AI. This tool creates stunning images, product shots, and artwork in minutes. Ideal for thumbnails, ebooks, and social media posts. It offers real-time editing and prompt control. It's smarter than similar tools like DALL-E. Which AI tool amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In the next video, we'll reveal AI tools that can earn you passive income in 2025.